several measures. It's just pizzicato, and I'll depend on you to work with each other in your section to learn that. You'll notice there's a key change here. So 1 flat, either the key of F or relative minor, which is B or D, D, E, F, yeah. So just help each other with that. When you get to 45, however, you're really going to have to work with your section quite a bit. These are almost like a warm-up because it has to be fluid. It has to be every viola sounds like they match. I'm not doing it particularly well right now. But it just has to be just a beautiful flowing exactly together there. Then it does something, I think it does pretty much the same thing at 61.